Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check Apple Pay card number. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, we're gonna go access our settings and we're simply gonna go ahead and access our wallet right over here. When we access our wallet, our added card will appear on top. When we tap on it, the last four digits are always shown and visible. You will find your card number as well. Some, according to the card, might show you the number or some might not. So that is one way to at least figure it out whether your card shows the number or not. Other is to simply go back, go on top, tap on your Apple ID name and tap on payment and shippings. And now here in the section as well, you will find your card on top. All you have to do is tap on it and you can see number expired and CVV codes are right over there, right? Your number will also appear right over here accordingly, and you can check out your number. If in case in both way only the last four digits are showing, then you can go access any browser of yours and you're gonna simply remove that and type in apple.com and search it up. Now you can choose you can visit any store and right over here simply go ahead, try to purchase any product from right over here. And when you add in the payment method, you don't have to complete it. When you're adding payment method, automatically let iPhone add your number of your card and you can simply copy your number right like that as well. So those are the ways. Make sure to check it out and you will be able to. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video was helpful to you all, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.